If you're worried about apps using your camera without your knowledge, you can turn off camera access to protect your privacy. Here's how to do it on your phone. First, open Settings on your phone. Go to Privacy Protection or Privacy and Security. Then tap on All Permissions and select Camera. You will see a list of apps that can use your camera. Turn off camera access for any app you don't trust or don't need. You can also turn off the camera completely. In Settings, go to Security or Privacy and look for camera access. Switch it off to block all apps from using the camera. Another easy step is to check app permissions. Open Settings, tap Apps, choose an app, then tap Permissions and set Camera to Don't Allow. For extra protection, you can cover your camera with a small sticker or camera cover when you're not using it. That's it! By managing camera permissions, you can stop unwanted camera access and protect your privacy. Like and subscribe for more easy phone security tips.